Hi, this is Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to make a giant yellow rose with some gold highlights. Now, as you see, I have a non-slip mat, and I place my plate on that, and this is on my round turntable. And then I'm going to put a little bit of buttercream on there and stick a large piece of wax paper right on top of that and smooth it down. Then I'm going to make a nice pad for my rose to sit on. It's going to be a nice large pad because this is going to be used to help lift the rose off later and place it on a cake or wherever you're going to place it. And so this nice thick pad, once it's frozen, makes it easy to peel off the wax paper. So that's what this part is for. Next, we're going to build up a buttercream cone in the middle, like you would on a regular rose, only on a larger scale. So I'm going round and round, making a large cone in the center. Then we're going to use our Ateco 125 tip, and this is going to use with the narrow end on the top and leaning in towards the middle. We're going to wrap that all the way around so it has a pointed cone right there. And then we're going to have all these petals cupping that middle cone, and so they're going to also be facing toward the center. Now you'll notice my buttercream is really stiff, and that's because I'm using my decorating buttercream, which I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested in that. And we're just going to keep piping these petals around and kind of wrapping them around the center of the rose here. As you'll notice, I occasionally stop to wipe off my tip as there's buttercream buildup on it, because you want a nice clean tip as you do this part. Then you're just going to pop it in the freezer for 30 minutes, bring it on out, and we should be able to easily slide our knife around it and put it exactly where we want it. I'm just going to place it on a plate because I don't have a cake right now, and I wanted to show you how easily you can do this. So off it comes. And there you have it, and we are going to add some gold accent by using Wedding Gold from the Sugar Art store. And I'm going to mix just a little bit of clear vanilla with this because that's what I have on hand. And then I'm just going to highlight the edge of each of these petals here. And then I want to add just a little bit of texture, just a little extra something to it to add some interest. And I'm going to get these edible glitter flakes by CK, and I'm just going to sprinkle those lightly over the top. And that just adds a little extra something to make that gold really come out. And there it is. And if you want to check out my other buttercream piping tutorials, I have lots of other ones on my channel and even smaller roses. And thanks for watching.